How to use Splitwise. Firstly, download and set up the app. So go to Apple Store or Play Store and search for Splitwise and you will download the app. So once you've downloaded the app, open up the app and log into your app. So you're going to create an account using your email or just sign in with your Google or Facebook account, which I just did. So I've signed in. And then now here, what we need to do, we're going to first create a group to share our expenses. So to create a group, on your homepage here, Groups tab, hit on Start a New Group and then give a name to the group. So let's say this is a group for my Paris trip, and then what type of group you want. So for example, it's a trip, so I'll just put trip. Okay, and then once that's done, then you can add an image to the group if you want, like a profile. So you can click on the image and upload a photo, and then you can add these dates if you want to add trip dates, or else you can just leave it, hit on done. And once you click on that, so here you will get this option here where you can invite members. So for example, here you can add a group member, or you can invite them through email or share a link. So you can just do that. So hit on, for example, add a group member, and then you can add it from your contacts. Okay, so for example, I'll just put a member here. Okay, so once you have added your participants or your friends list here, so next what we're going to do, you're going to hit on this add expense. We're going to add the expense. Click on add the expense, and here what we're going to do, you're going to give an description name for the expense. So what type of expense? For example, I will name this as hotel booking. So that's the hotel booking expenses, and you can choose the dollar, the currency, which currency you have paid for. For example, leave it as US dollars. Let's say I'll put 100, and then I'm going to split this equally. So if I want to split, I have paid it and I want to split equally, I can just type that in, and then here you can choose how these how you want to split the bill. So I have only added one person to my group, so I can if I want to split it half, I can split it half. Or if I want to pay the full amount, I can choose it. So you can choose based on your preferences. Once that's done, so you can hit on this tick here. So that's it. Your expenses will be saved, and it will automatically calculate the balances and all the details that you have lent or you are to be owned and all those things. And then to check your balances, you can, if you click on this balance option here, so here you will go to the okay, you will see who owns your money, or who owned money, and the total balance for each member. So for example, I've added only one person, Shan, so he owns me $50. So that's that's how you check balances here. So you can use these option like the settle up option. So if you hit on this settle up option, you can use it to record any payments made. Okay, you can choose to like settle up via payment, so you can make payment via cash or PayPal if you have linked your account with it. So for example, if you go to your account option here tab, and then if you click on connected accounts, here you can add your bank account to make payments and also to receive payments, and that's pretty much it is. So with Splitwise, you can simply manage shared expenses and keep track of who owns what, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.